Imagine stepping into a forest older than any story you know. The air is cool, the ground soft, and sunlight barely reaches through the towering canopy. Giant trees stand like ancient guardians, their bark wrinkled with age. They've witnessed centuries, maybe millennia, of life. It feels like entering a natural cathedral, peaceful yet alive. But is it truly silent? We often think of forests as quiet, with only birds and deer moving through the shadows. Yet the real story is hidden beneath our feet. This forest is alive with communication, a bustling, interconnected community. Trees are not passive, they're constantly sending messages, sharing resources, and helping one another. Their language isn't spoken, but carried through a secret underground network. This network connects nearly every living thing in the forest, from seedlings to ancient giants. The forest is alive with a silent, constant chatter. To understand this, we must look beyond what's visible and see the connections that bind life together. The forest's story is one of cooperation, not just competition. It's a tale of a community working together to survive and thrive. This silent symphony has played out for millions of years. By listening closely, we can begin to hear its beautiful, complex music. The whispering giants have much to teach us about community and connection. What if I told you trees can talk to each other? It sounds magical, but science proves it's real. Trees are social beings, forming intricate networks much like our own. They recognize family, support their young, share food, and warn each other of danger. This hidden world of tree communication is one of biology's most exciting discoveries. A forest isn't just a collection of competing trees. It's a vast, interconnected superorganism. Each tree acts like a cell in a larger body, working for the good of the whole. Cooperation, not just competition, is key to their survival. Think of ant colonies. Thousands work together, building, gathering, and defending. The forest operates similarly, but on a grander scale. Trees are the architects, creating a stable environment for all. This network is nature's bustling city, with communication lines and shared resources. Next time you walk in the woods, remember, beneath your feet, a vibrant society is at work. Messages flow, resources are shared, and life is supported in a delicate dance of interdependence. This secret network predates our own, a testament to nature's intelligence. We're only beginning to understand its depth and complexity. To grasp the forest's network, imagine the internet, a web connecting us all. The forest has its own version, the Woodwide Web. Instead of cables, it's made of roots and fungi, weaving a living network beneath the soil. Mycelium, the thread-like structures of fungi, connect tree roots across vast distances. A handful of soil can contain miles of these threads, linking trees of different species. Through this network, trees send and receive biological signals, chemical and electrical messages. If one tree is attacked by insects, it sends a warning through the web. Neighboring trees receive the alert and boost their defenses. This is a sophisticated, forest-wide alarm system. The network also acts as a marketplace. Trees in sunny spots share sugars with those in shade. Water and nutrients flow to where they're needed most. It's a complex system of trade and support, ensuring the forest's health. The Woodwide Web is nature's original social network. It's been operating for millions of years, long before our digital age. The forest's internet is alive, dynamic, and essential for survival. It's a model of cooperation and resilience. The Woodwide Web relies on a remarkable partnership, Microisal Symbiosis. Fungi and tree roots form a mutually beneficial bond. Fungi can't make their own food, but they're experts at absorbing water and nutrients. Their tiny threads extend the tree's reach, gathering resources from deep in the soil. In return, trees share sugars made from sunlight with the fungi. This exchange is efficient and vital for both partners. The Microisal network connects dozens of trees, even across species. It's the physical structure that unites the forest community. Fungi are the bridge builders, turning individual trees into a resilient whole. Without this partnership, forests as we know them couldn't exist. The invisible architects of the woodland world keep the system thriving. Some trees play a central role in the forest's network, mother trees. These ancient giants are the hubs, connected to hundreds of others. Their health is vital for the entire ecosystem. Mother trees nurture young saplings, sending nutrients and sugars through the underground web. This support helps seedlings survive the dark, challenging forest floor. Scientist Suzanne Simard proved this by tracking carbon from one tree to another. She found that resources travel from mother trees to young firs via the fungal network. Even more, mother trees seem to recognize their own offspring, giving them extra support. This nurturing ensures the next generation thrives. Mother trees are not just passive, they're the beating hearts of the forest. They pump life and resources through the hidden network. Their presence sustains the entire community. The forest's strength lies in these ancient, connected giants. The Woodwide Web is also a powerful defense system. When a tree is attacked, it sends alarm signals underground and through the air. Chemical messages travel via the fungal network, warning neighbors to prepare defenses. Trees respond by producing bitter or toxic compounds to deter insects. For trees not connected underground, airborne signals, volatile organic compounds, carry the warning. Other trees smell the alarm and boost their own defenses. This dual system, underground and airborne, creates a robust layered defense. It's like having both wired and wireless internet. If one system fails, the other still works. The coordinated response protects the whole community. Together, trees fight off threats that could devastate individuals. The forest's collective defense ensures its long-term survival. The forest's communication network is powerful but fragile. Human actions, like clear-cutting, can destroy it in moments. Removing trees isn't just logging, it's dismantling a living community. When a mother tree falls, the network's central hub is lost. Young trees lose their support and often don't survive. The entire community weakens, becoming vulnerable to disease and pests. Monoculture plantations with only one tree species lack the rich diversity and resilience of natural forests. Their networks are simpler and more fragile. A single pest can wipe out an entire plantation. After deforestation, the soil erodes, nutrients vanish, and wildlife disappears. The Woodwide Web falls silent, and the land becomes barren. A forest's strength is in its connections. By breaking them, we lose not just trees, but the wisdom and life support system of the planet. Protecting these networks is vital for our future. The Woodwide Web story is a call to action. Forests are intelligent communities, not just resources. Around the world, people are working to heal and restore these vital networks. The Miyawaki method in Japan shows how planting diverse native species can quickly rebuild healthy forests. These new forests become rich, self-sustaining ecosystems, even in cities. Anyone can help plant native trees, encourage diversity, and avoid chemicals that harm soil life. Nurturing the soil supports the forest's communication system. The message from the trees is one of hope and connection. We're all part of a larger network. Cooperation makes us stronger. By protecting and restoring forests, we help ourselves and future generations. We can be guardians of this ancient network. Together, we can plant the seeds of a new connected world. Let's join nature's silent, beautiful conversation.